Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fun and creative DIY project. Making this stunning paper flower. Just look at it, the bright red layered centerpiece and the vibrant blue spiky leaves make it a true work of art. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, this project is perfect for adding a pop of color to your home or a personal touch to your decorations. Let's dive in. Before starting, let's talk about what you'll need for this flower. I used colored paper blue for the leaves and red for the centerpiece. You'll also need scissors, glue, and optionally a pencil for tracing shapes. It's simple, inexpensive, and you likely already have these supplies at home. Crafting doesn't have to be complicated, and that's one of the reasons I love this project. Let's start with the leaves. I took a blue sheet of paper and cut out several oval shapes for the base. Then, I added this spiky texture by making small, precise cuts along the edges. These little details really elevate the look of the leaves and give them a more realistic feel. To add depth, I folded each leaf gently down the center. This simple fold creates a natural-looking crease that brings the leaves to life. You can make as many leaves as you like, depending on how big you want your flower to be. In my case, I made 8. Now, let's move on to the centerpiece, the highlight of this flower. For the red rose, I started by cutting spirals out of red paper. If you've never done this before, don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Start with a circle, then cut it into a spiral shape. Once you have your spiral, roll it inward from the outer edge. As you roll, the layers start to resemble petals. This part is my favorite because it's so satisfying to watch the flower take shape. Once you reach the end, secure it with a bit of glue, and voila! You've got a beautiful rose. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. I started by arranging the blue leaves in a circular pattern and gluing them in place. Once the leaves were secure, I attached the red rose to the center. It's important to take your time here to ensure everything is aligned and looks balanced. The final result is this vibrant,